Alright, so welcome back. This is gonna be part 4 of the Farmall Cub rebuild. I guess since the last time I made a video, I was taking the floor off. So what I had to do with that, I had to disconnect the brake pedal, and then there was a shaft that ran like all the way through, and I had to drive that out with a hammer. And I think I took the tires and the wheels off, and right now I'm working on taking the final drive off. So I got the hoist here, and I got that hooked up to it. So I'll get back to you once I get that off. Alright, so I just got that out. I did manage to get that out by myself. It's not too heavy, but looking in here, you can just see that it's packed full of grass and mouse house and stuff. So we'll take this piece off too, and that end stand should just hold up the rest of it. But I might want to take off that final drive first so it doesn't become unbalanced. So. Alright, I just got this side out. Some junk in there too. That oil seal is shot. That's why this is all covered in nastiness. You can see in there. So, guess next I'm gonna try to take this apart, and that's pretty much gonna be it for disassembly. I might strip that down, that front more. We'll see. But we'll start with the back of the tractor and go forward, I guess. So, this is why I'm going through here and replacing stuff, because that band is down to the rivets. So, and this one just kind of fell off. I didn't really try to take the band off of that one. So, and another example, I don't think there should be play in this shaft here. So the bearing on the back side here, in here somewhere, is probably out bad. So we'll check that out when we get to it. I just popped this off. That's why I'm taking this off too, so I can clean all of that junk out of there. Yeah, I'll take that outside and clean that out. See what it looks like inside. This is how much junk I've just cleaned out of here. That's not even all of it. I'll have to get the rest with the pressure washer. Not gonna drag it out today though. So, a lot of junk. Thankfully that it doesn't look like the metal's too pitted in here. So, things just, piece is just like old cast iron. So. Well, there we go. I'd say this assembly is done. And now we start repair. So, I guess we'll start with the two things that are in the middle of the floor right now. We'll replace a few seals, the transmission, gearbox, and the throwout bearing is shot. It's right here. And we'll set those aside. Probably start with the final drives. Just go from the back of the tractor and go forward. And we'll clean up all the paint off of everything as we're going along. So, it's probably going to be it for this video, because there's nothing else to take apart right now. So, this video wasn't very long. So, guess we'll just see you next time when you start taking apart that gearbox and replacing seals and place the throwout bearing.